up, nigga. You're like
You're
the black
funny.
Angry Birds of the fucking state, my nigga.
Your mother
Shut the fuck up,
stinks.
nigga.
Your mother stinks. She stinks.
Okay.
She smells.
Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
You stink, homie.
Show your teeth again. Show your teeth again. Show your teeth again.
Real quick, real quick.
Show your face. Show your face. Show your nose. Show your Angry
I'm
Birds
sure I can
nose.
put a $2 entre tes dents. I can put a $2 entre tes dents. Because
Fucking
you have the
faggot.
I don't understand
What are you
that shit.
smoking? What are you
I don't
smoking?
understand.
What are you smoking?
Go fix your teeth, broke ass nigga.
You smoking hookah? Yeah, you bugging, nigga. Oh my god, my nigga. What? You on the
I
fucking
fuck your mom.
Yeah, yeah.
I fuck your
You
mom.
fuck nothing.
You're 12?
And I'm nutting all in that.
With
bitch.
what? With your pussy. Your pinky.
Not funny.
You put
Not
this fucking
funny.
kid out, please.
You don't got
Mais
no
je peux
fucking.
pas mettre les gens
You're
dehors.
fully dog. Arrête là.
Yo, Pinky, you're the host. Don't let him tell you what to do. You're the host. He's a goofy. He's a clown. A fucking clown.
Man.
You're a
Il
pussy,
se
homie.
bloqué par ses fucking
Every
enfants.
time, look, every time you look at the mirror,
Yeah, Pinky, okay. Mais non, oh, t'as pas besoin de montrer.
Bitch ass nigga. What you talking about? What you talking about, bitch
What do
ass
you-
nigga?
What do you have, pussy? What do you
What you
have,
talking
pussy?
about, bitch ass nigga?
What do you have, pussy?
Go in front of me, wallahi I would smoke you,
do you-
motherfucker.
What do you have,
drôle.
pussy? What do you have? What do you have? Your finger? Oh, he has his middle finger. Gangsta shit.
I got a gun too.
Damn.
Oui, mais c'est parce que moi, je suis
Yeah.
en haut.
You hide
J'ai
your
une craque,
Angry
et
Bird's
puis
nose.
quand il est rentré,
Hand,
puis tu vois,
hide
le
your
hand
fucking
right
pig
one,
nose.
il commence
Hide your pig
on
nose.
the top.
Your pinky.
Oui.
Vas-y, man. T'enlèves tes galoches, mon. Il y a d'autres qui veut rentrer.